Good morning, students. Om Namah Shivaya, Standard 10 Science. In our next lecture, we'll learn fourth type of reaction. First, we learn combination reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. Third, displacement reaction. And now fourth is double displacement reaction. The reaction in which two reactants always are given and its negative ions that is in sodium sulfate SO4 minus 2 is negative ion, whereas in barium chloride Cl minus 1 chloride is negative ion. It interchanges. So two displacements are done, and so that it is called a double displacement reaction. As for example, we are given in activity that take 3 ml solution of sodium sulfate in one test tube and 3 ml solution of barium chloride in another test tube. Mix them in any of the test tube and you will have barium sulfate in solid form and sodium chloride solution in the test tube. In this reaction, barium sulfate you get in solid form that are called precipitates. Precipitates are received in the reaction, so that this type of reactions are called precipitation reaction. Another example we already saw in activity 1.2, that is lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Lead nitrate is colorless solution and potassium iodide is also colorless solution. When we are mixing both, we will have yellow colored precipitate inside the test tube. Another fifth and sixth type of reactions are oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. As you already studied in prior standard, that oxidation reaction is called when in any reaction either oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed. That reaction is called oxidation reaction. Reverse to this, in any reaction either oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added, that are called reduction reaction. We'll take example of both oxidation reaction and reduction reaction combinedly. So in given activity in your textbook, that take 1 gram about of copper powder in china dish and heat it in the atmosphere with help of spirit lamp. Copper is heated in presence of air, that also can be called. When copper is heated in air, so oxygen from the air is added into copper and it turns into black colored copper oxide layer on the particles of copper. This can be written in chemical equation form. Copper plus oxygen gives us copper oxide, and copper oxide here oxygen 2 is given, so we'll balance as 2Cu and 2Cu. Reverse to this, whenever this copper oxide powder is taken and hydrogen gases pass over it, that means hydrogen is added. So at that time oxygen will remove, hydrogen is added, that is copper oxide plus H2, that give you copper plus H2O. That means the black colored copper powder will again turn into red colored original copper powder and H2O will remove in the form of vapor. In this solution, oxygen is removed from copper oxide. Sometimes what happens in some reactions, both the situations, oxygen is removed and hydrogen is added. Either oxygen is added and hydrogen is removed. Both are performing simultaneously. This type of reactions are called redox reactions. See, this reaction of copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper plus H2O is also can be calculated as redox reaction. Red from reduction and OX from oxidation. Both the reactions are performing simultaneously, so that this type of reactions are called redox reaction. Another examples of redox reactions are copper oxide plus hydrogen, that is copper plus H2O. That means this reaction is also called redox reaction, in which copper oxide plus hydrogen. So oxygen from copper oxide is removed and combined with hydrogen, so that can say copper oxide is reduced because oxygen is removed from it. So copper oxide is reduced to copper, and hydrogen is oxidized to H2O because oxygen is added to hydrogen. Another example is zinc oxide plus carbon. That gives us zinc plus carbon monoxide. This is also an example of redox reaction. Oxygen is removed from zinc oxide and added to carbon monoxide. In the same way, added to carbon and make carbon monoxide. In the same way, manganese dioxide plus HCl, that gives us MnCl2, manganese chloride, hydrogen plus chlorine gas. In this reaction, oxygen is removed from manganese and combined with hydrogen. So manganese is reduced and hydrogen is oxidized. Thank you.